The question says that two moving coil meters M1 and M2 have the following particulars: R1, N1, A1 and B1, that is resistance, number of turns, area and V1 is given for both the coil meters M1 and M2, and we have to determine the ratio of current sensitivity and the voltage sensitivity of M1 and M2. So current sensitivity is defined as deflection per unit current, or it is also proportional to NBA by K, where N is the number of turns in the coil and B is the magnetic field and A is the area of the coil and K is the spring constant. Now here we have to find out the ratio of current sensitivities of the second coil versus first coil. So by dividing both the sensitivities, that is sensitivity of M2 by M1, we will get this expression N2B2 A2 by A1 N1 V1 A1. Now substituting the values, we will get a ratio of 1.4. Similarly, the voltage sensitivity is defined as the current sensitivity divided by the resistance in the coil. So voltage sensitivity of second coil to that of the first coil would be equal to the current sensitivity of the second coil divided by first coil multiplied by resistance of the first coil by the resistance of second coil. Now after substituting these values, you will get the result as 1.0. Thank you.